Why some videos are great and some of them, most of them, suck badly? Well, it's easy to measure after the fact whether a video is successful or not. You just look at the views and at the likes and the shares, and if it has millions of views and shares and likes, probably it's a good video. But how do you measure greatness? Is there a unit for greatness, or for what you feel when you see a video that is great? Like, it's 20 pounds great, or I feel 3 pounds happier. Unfortunately, you cannot quantify whether a video is good or not. You just feel it. To see whether this is true or not is very simple. Just any video that you have enjoyed, that you really like, that you were compelled to share, has something in common. It made you feel something strongly. Whether it was positive or negative, you felt something strongly. So the key to a successful video is that it has to trigger strong emotions. Now, but there are two things we know about emotions. One is that we can qualify them, we can tell which kind of emotion we're feeling, and second, we can estimate its relative intensity, whether it's a strong emotion or whether it's neutral or there's no emotion there. So based on this, you could go over any video and start plotting its emotional intensity over time. And I can guarantee you, any successful, any viral video has a graph, an emotional intensity graph, where there are a lot of peaks in emotional intensity. It's the emotion that these videos are triggering in people's minds that make them so successful. So what I'm encouraging you to do is, if you feel your videos are sucking, most likely it's because the emotional intensity graph of your video is flatlining like a dead corpse. Now, I have a question for you. I've told you what I believe to be the key to making very engaging, memorable videos, and it's understanding how emotions work and how to trigger them. So based on this, which type of video do you think should be the most successful in the world? Think about it. Na 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 na.